Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the NxtPaper key isn't working on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So the most common cause of this issue is an unoriginal phone case, so try to remove it, especially if you have a case with magnets around your NXT button key. And now try switching on the NXT mode on your smartphone, and if you see no reaction, try restarting your device. Simply hold down the power button and volume up key and select restart. Then, if the problem doesn't go away, try checking for software updates on your smartphone. Go to Settings, then check System and check System Updates. Make sure that you are connected to the internet, then tap Check for Updates and install the latest software version for your smartphone. Also, don't forget to update apps. And if the problem doesn't go away after that, you can also perform a factory reset operation, which might resolve this issue. Before you do that, of course, back up your data either to Google Drive or to a physical storage like SSD drive, and then go to Reset Options, erase all data, perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone, and hopefully this will resolve your issue. And if not, then you're gonna have to contact TCL support and ask them for their interference. Most probably get your smartphone repaired or replaced in the certified service center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.